Hi, I'm Valyami Subramanian from Erkard. We, the Cliff Spice Zone, bring the rich taste of Erkard Hill right to you. Why Cliff Spice Zone? We provide you 100% natural, pure, aromatic, high quality spices and single origin coffee at a best price. Join us at NCC Business Expo 3.0. Experience our premium coffee and farm fresh spices at stall number D19 on August 15th and 16th at Ramachandra Convention Center, Thiruvanmiyur. Thank you.